Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today I would like to show you how to fix easy anti-cheat in Apex Legends. Firstly, you go to Apex Legends, then you right click, then you go to the properties. After that, after you go to properties, then you go to open file location. Then you will see this easy anti-cheat. Then you just double click it. Then you will see this easy anti-cheat underscore setup. Then you just double click, then yes, then you just repair the services. After that, just finish. Then okay, that's all. I hope you enjoy this kind of content. If you do enjoy this kind of content, please give me a like, share to your friend who face this kind of problem, and thank you. That's all.